I made this search box in few simple steps, maybe 3 to 4 steps. If I type few letters in the search box, it will show me the data. The beauty of this search box is that you don't need to type the entire search term. You can just type few letters and the data will be available in a formatted manner, like this red dotted border, which is also dynamically used. Let's do it. I'll start it from scratch. So, the first step is to create a table. I will use this sample data, copy and paste. Then press Ctrl T. The range will be converted into table. Name it from this name box. I will name it as data. I will change the table design from here, table style. Create a new sheet and paste the headers. I will use city as my search term. So start typing formula in this cell. I will use filter function. Type equal to and filter. Hit tab. The first parameter is array, which is this part in this case. Look carefully. The selected range is table name. Put a comma. I need to enter the search term. In my case, it is city. I click here. Click on sheet 2. I will use A1 cell, so type equal and type A1, or you can select the cell. Put a comma. I will enter a phrase no data found if my function returns no value, which means data not found in the table. Type no data found within double quote and close the bracket. Hit enter. The result will be no data found because A1 cell is empty. Now, if I type or copy paste a sample city name, say Akron, the filtered data will be displayed. But we will not type the entire search term. So, I need to modify the formula. Here comes step 2. I will replace the include part from filter function with isnumber and search function. These are very simple functions. Type isnumber, hit tab, type search and hit tab. We need to provide the search text. So select A1 cell and make it absolute reference, hitting F4 once. Then put a comma. I need to provide the column where the actual data is available. So I will go to sheet 1 and will select the column city from here. Now close two opening bracket and type equal and true. The logic is simple. I hope you understand this logic. Our formula is ready. Now test it with some alphabets. But again, we will not search it from the Excel cell. Instead, we will use some search box to make it beautiful. Go to insert, from shapes, select rectangle and I will select a style. I will go to shape again and will search for icons. And I will select this magnifying glass. Resize it, color it. Then from developer tab, select insert and click on the text box and draw a text box within this rectangle after the search icon. Right click on this text box and open the properties window. Now we will use this text box to enter search terms, not the A1 cell. So in the linked cell, type A1. Scroll a little more and in special effect, select the first item, special effect flat. I always prefer to group these types of items. You can do it or skip it. Select these three items holding Ctrl button and then right click and select group. From developer tab, close the design mode. Now if you try to use the search bar, it will work. But A1 is also showing the same letters. We will select its font color as white. I need some more space to give a title. merge these cells and type search box, resize it, color it. Now I will remove the grid lines. So go to view and from here uncheck the grid lines. I need a border but dynamic. Select the entire data like this. Go to home, click conditional formatting and click new rule. Select the second option, change it to no blanks. Click on format, border, then select a color and a line style. Don't forget to click on these 4 lines. Click OK and then if I type few letters, the data will be available. Change the sheet name and hide the first sheet. Your search box is ready. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.